I think 8th place is good because it's good enough that we recognize how great it is, but like not number 1, so people across the country are like, hey, maybe I should move there.
Our little
Yeah, right?
secret, yeah. We've got so many awesome areas to bike, but are you going to want to with the extreme heat coming into the state?
Something to keep in mind as you're heading out the door the next few mornings, because the ride home is going to be potentially dangerously hot depending on where you are come Thursday, Friday. But right now, Salt Lake 87 is hot down in Phoenix at 103, over in San Francisco 67, 77 in Minneapolis right now, and Dallas currently 72. Now here in Salt Lake, it is downright hot. Same thing for St. George, 97. So wind out of the southwest, 15 miles per hour in St. George, gusting around 20. It actually feels a little bit cooler, but still it feels like it's in the 90s. Now, next couple of days, we're going to have a lot of heat. Satellite and radar here across the region shows you a few clouds, mostly across southern Utah and eastern Utah, but a few lingering clouds here across northern Utah, or passing clouds, I should say. High pressure is our main story. Lots of heat the next couple of days. Hot temperatures, the main headline. We'll have an excessive heat warning that starts on Thursday at noon for the St. George area and over towards Lake Powell, Glen Canyon Recreation area. That'll go until Saturday at 10 p.m. So an excessive heat warning with temperatures around 105. We really need to be careful because heat-related deaths are possible. So please use extreme caution as we wrap up the week. But current temps here across the state, a lot of us in the 80s and 90s. Fire weather forecast, not that high for tomorrow. This is tomorrow, 6 p.m. But happy to see that. However, still exercise caution. As we look at the next couple of days, we're going to have a lot of heat here through this upcoming weekend, which is great because a lot of the pools opened, but I would try to avoid the sun between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. tomorrow if possible. Now, taking you into next week, this is Friday, June 11th, so next weekend, not this upcoming weekend, we're still going to have heat here across the region, but it's not going to be quite as hot as it will be as we wrap up this week. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, 60 degrees. By 10 a.m., we're close to 80 degrees. First thing tomorrow morning, it'll be around 55 to 65 here across the state. By tomorrow at 4 p.m. and 5 p.m., it'll be around 80 to 90 degrees. St. George in the low 100s. And we'll keep things pretty dry the next couple of days. So as we walk you through this forecast, there is a chance for a few light showers Saturday along the spine of Utah, but that's not going to be anything to really write home about. But it's the heat that's the main story. So for St. George, you're close to 103 through Saturday. And then you'll have those temperatures next week, Monday and Tuesday, in the low 90s. A cold front will likely arrive along the Wasatch Front. As of right now, the timing brings it for the evening drive on Monday afternoon, but that will certainly change as that becomes closer. But we'll have temperatures in the upper 90s for Thursday and Friday, and then in the 80s Monday and Tuesday next week.